What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Sean P again, back with another product review. And today I'm doing a review on the Grandpa Soap Company's Pine Tar Soap. First of all, if you're subscribed to my channel, thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you're watching the video, thank you for watching this video. And yeah, I'm doing a review on, this soap. I was kind of put on to this by a couple people. I watched the video. Beard Times with Scott did a review, talked highly of the soap. Dancy Bearded says that he uses Pine Tar soap, but it's not this brand. It's the Luxurious Bastard, which I plan on trying in the future. And I heard a couple of people talk about the soap. Beard Dream talked about he uses Pine Tar soap in his routine. And you can make this on your own if you really wanted to. I just decided to pick this up, just try it out, see what it would do for my beard. And to be honest, even though the smell is super strong, it does what it's supposed to do in terms of a soap. It cleanses your beard. I've been using it on my beard and on my scalp for like the last 4 days. It helped with my dandruff immensely. Like I was having kind of issues with that. It cleared that up, and it cleansed my beard like it's supposed to. Now the thing about cleaning your beard, once you clean your beard, it kind of leaves like a little bit of a streaky feel to it, but then it goes away after a while. And don't be fooled by it. If it's brown, it actually lathers white. So don't be fooled by its appearance. And the benefits of a Pine Tar soap is that it's antibacterial and antifungal. So it kills all kind of bacteria. If you have bacteria in your beard and your scalp, it kills fungus in your scalp. If you have dandruff and all that stuff, and it's good for dry skin. It's good for psoriasis, dandruff, as I said. And it's just the smell of it is just super, super strong. And I know you can make Pine Tar soap in different ways. I know you can add like essential oils and different fragrance oils to make it smell good. It's just this is super strong. If you can get over the smell of it, I say try it out. And they have other scents on their website. I'm gonna put links to the Grandpa Soap Company website and to Amazon. And I got this from the local health food store where I live, Sprouts. So you probably try your health food store if you have one in your area. But yeah, I recommend the soap. It's just the smell for me. It's just not for me. I don't recommend bathing with, like, taking a complete shower with this. I just recommend it for the beard and the scalp. And the ingredients is sodium palmate, sodium cocolate, sodium palm kernelate. I know I'm butchering these pronunciations. Water, glycerin, pinus, polutrus, wood tar, sodium chloride, and sodium gluconate. And it's only 7 ingredients. Yeah, I mean, like I said, it's just a smell for me. It's just not for me. But like I said, I wasn't really going for a soap that I was gonna bathe with. I was just gonna get a soap for my scalp and my beard. It does what it's supposed to do. It cleanses your beard. It washes your beard like it's supposed to. Now, I'm gonna say this: if you got like a good beard wash that you use that you like, just stick with that. I mean, if you want to try this to see if it gets your beard clean, it will do that. But it's just the smell. It's super strong. And some people can tolerate the smell. I'm just not one of them people. But yeah, if you have an opportunity to pick up the soap, pick it up, try it out for yourself and see how it works for you. It worked for my beard immensely. It works for my scalp. And yeah, I recommend Grandpa Soap Company's Pine Tar soap. I just learned today that Chesapeake came out with one. Theirs is going to be like a pine and orange scent, so I'm kind of anxious to try that out. Luxurious Bastard, I want to try his stuff, and I know there's other Pine Tar soaps out there. And yeah, with that, I highly recommend the soap. If you have an opportunity to pick it up, pick it up. And with that, I'm gonna sum up this video. And if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace. Time for Scott talk about it. I've heard Dancy P. Oh my God, it's Dancy Bearded. Get it right. Damn it, Sean. Other smell good stuff to make it smell good, but and this is a horrible take because I have the freaking Edmond High School band playing in the background. And I don't know why I choose to do a video right now.